Good morning, dear students. In this video, I am going to give you the holiday homework, and all the work you have to do on a separate file. No need to do it on your computer notebook. So let us start with the questions here. Now, first question is, you can read out, otherwise it will take a very long time. So here is, you have to take one word from the user and then remove the duplicate words present in it. Example I have taken here. You can read out the example. For example, the first one, if input is this, so you have to remove the duplicate words, so output should be in this form. Same for the next one, if input is this, output should be this. And the third example is this. Clear? That means first program is for to remove the duplicate alphabets. Next, and one more thing that I want to tell you, whatever program I'm giving you in this holiday homework, that already came in your previous year exams. So please take it very seriously and do all the questions. Question number 2, write a program in Java to input a number and check whether it is an even number or not. Now, even number is a positive whole number which has even number of ones in its binary equivalent. Example, binary equivalent of 9 is 1001, which contains even number of ones. That's why it's a even number. In the same way, some examples are given here like 3, 5, 6, 9. Then, design a program to accept a positive whole number you have to take, so you need to apply the condition for this also. That means any negative number should not be entered. So you need to apply the condition for whole number also, and whole number starts from 0 onwards. And then find the binary equivalent of this and then count it. And one more thing, do all the programs using functions. Do not make the direct program, you make the program using functions only, and properly call it using the objects. Because in your board exams also, whether it's your practical or whether it's your theory exam, you have to do it in this way only. So practice it in the same way as you have to do in your exams. Next one, and no need to make variable description table also in exam. And here example is this. For example 15, binary equivalent is 1111. So these all ones, actually total number of ones when you will count, so it is 4. So output is even number. And see, for the format also their marks are there in your practical board exams actually for the specified format as given here. Just like look at this, ये जो फॉर्मेट गिवन है तो आउटपुट शुड कम इन द सेम फॉर्मेट, क्योंकि इसके लिए भी मार्क्स ऑलरेडी प्री डिसाइडेड होते हैं. ठीक है, सो आपका आउटपुट अगर कैपिटल लेटर्स में इफ एवन नंबर इज डिस्प्लेइंग हियर, सो योर आउटपुट शुड ऑल्सो गेट डिस्प्लेड इन द सेम वे. Just like if colon sign is coming, so you also in that output colon sign should be visible on the screen, otherwise you will lose marks. Then the third one, the result of a quiz competition is to be prepared as follows. Now quiz has 5 questions with 4 multiple choice like A, B, C, D, and each question carry 1 mark for the correct answer. So you have to take a design a program having n number of participants, and n should be greater than 3 and less than 11. This is the condition you will apply here. Then create a double dimension array of size n by 5, that means number of participants cross 5, to show the answers of each participants row wise. Now here it is example, look at this. ठीक है, आपको स्कोर डिस्प्ले करना है. Now example, if number of participants are 5, so for participant 1, this is that means the answers of the MCQs. ठीक है, like D, A, B, C, C. ठीक है. Then for participant 2, suppose उसने एंटर किया है A, A, D, C, B, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है, उसने आंसर किया है इस फॉर्म में. Then for third participants this, for 4, then for 5. ठीक है, so this one that is user provided answers. ठीक है. Then key is what B, C, D, A, A, that you will take key. So आपको एक और एरे बनाना है, किसके लिए? की के लिए. So की के लिए एक एरे आप बनाओगे. ठीक. Then यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, की ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड है, 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो 5 आपके पास क्या होंगे, 5 आंसर आपके पास एक ही की होगी जिसमें 5 आंसर्स मेंशन होंगे, BCDAA मेंशन है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, ये आपको प्रोवाइड करना है। और उसके अकॉर्डिंग जब आप मैच कराओगे तो आप देखोगे आपको जो स्कोर आएगा पार्टिसिपेंट 1 के लिए, पार्टिसिपेंट 1 के लिए 0 है, पार्टिसिपेंट 2 के लिए इट इज़ 1 1 1 एंड 2। सो हाईएस्ट स्कोर इज़ व्हाट, 5, ठीक है, पार्टिसिपेंट नंबर 5 गॉट हाईएस्ट स्कोर 2। दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। आपको की से क्या करना है, यू हैव टू डू व्हाट, यू हैव टू चेक विद द की, यानी कि आपने जो ये इनपुट दिया था, लुक एट हियर, दिस इनपुट, दिस इज एक्चुअली द आउटपुट आंसर की, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज हियर व्हाट पार्टिसिपेंट 1 आंसर्स, ठीक है, आंसर्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय पार्टिसिपेंट 1। नाउ यू विल मैच द आंसर्स रिस्पेक्टिवली, यानी कि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन का आंसर, सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर, थर्ड क्वेश्चन का, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का, 5 क्वेश्चंस का। इन दिस वे यू विल कैलकुलेट व्हाट score, and if that means your answer matches, then you will get what 1 mark for your correct answer, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से आपको क्या निकालना है, स्कोर फाइंड आउट करना है, ठीक है, और हाईएस्ट स्कोर निकाल करके पार्टिसिपेंट को डिस्प्ले कराना है। सेम फॉर द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन टेक इट हियर। सो की आपको प्रोवाइड करनी है, पार्टिसिपेंट्स के जो आंसर्स हैं दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड इट, आफ्टर दैट यू विल चेक इन द सिंगल डायमेंशन एरे, एंड इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज equal to 2, then input size out of range. Moving on to 14th question here, look at this. Gold batch number is a even positive even integer that can be expressed as the sum of two odd primes. All even integer numbers greater than 4 are gold batch numbers. For example, 6, 10, then again 10. So these are gold batch numbers, ठीक है। So यहाँ पे complete description is given. Read out the questions and do it yourself. Look at this. Go through the question very carefully. Right? And here some examples. Some more examples are here. Pause the video and after that go through all the examples. Question number 5. Design a program to accept a day number between 1 and 366, year in 4 digits from the user to generate and display the corresponding data. Now see, for this condition whatever is given, you have to apply the condition for this also, for year also and for this day number also, ठीक है, and display the corresponding data. Also accept n that lies from 1 to 100 from the user to compute and display the future days corresponding to n days after the generated date, ठीक है। Display an error message if the value of day number, year and n are not within the limit or according to the condition specified, ठीक है। आपको क्या करना है, कुछ भी आपको मतलब जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए, look at this example. डे नंबर इज़ व्हाट 255, ठीक है, ईयर आपने लिया है कितना 2018, तो डेट आफ्टर n डेज, सो n की वैल्यू कितना लेना है आपको 1 to 100, यू कैन टेक एनी वैल्यू, ठीक है। फॉर दिस ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट द कंडीशन। नाउ इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज सपोज 22, सो 255 में इफ़ यू विल एड ऑन 22, सो व्हाट विल बी दैट डेट, वो डेट क्या होगी आपको वो फाइंड आउट करना है, ठीक है। सो डेट इज़, अभी अगर आप देखो 255 और 2018 पर क्या डेट आ रही है 12 सितंबर, सो आफ्टर 22 डेज व्हाट विल बी द डेट 4 अक्टूबर 2018, राइट। एंड सपोज करिए अगर वो 365 से एक्सटेंड हो जा रहा है, यानी कि तो आपका फिर वो क्या चला जाएगा, इट विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट ईयर, दैट मीन्स 2019 विल कम। सो फॉर दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट द कंडीशन। Now here are some more examples. Look at for second example. Day number 360, year is 2018. Now day after n days means after 45 days what will be the new date. So if current date is 26 December 2018, for this 360, यानी कि अगर आप इस डे पर्टिकुलर डे की बात करो तो उस पर डेट क्या आ रही है 26 दिसंबर 2018, देन आफ्टर 45 डेज न्यू डेट विल बी व्हाट 9 February 2019. And in this program you have to check for leap year also. Then after that means this program will be little bit lengthier, but still you try to solve this because all these questions already came in the previous years, means in your practical, especially practical के लिए तो आपको especially you will get tough questions, ठीक है, not easy. Then third and fourth example, go through these two examples yourself. Now next one, here sixth question we are having. Go through this question. Write a program to accept a sentence which may be terminated by either dot, question mark or exclamation sign. The words are to be separated by a single blank space and are in uppercase. Okay. Then perform the following task. Check for the validity of the accepted sentence. Validity is what? That your sentence should be terminated by dot, question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, this is the validity for the sentence, first part. Second, convert the non-palindrome words of the sentence into palindrome words by concatenating the word by its reverse, excluding the last character. For example, if the reverse of the word help would be what? LEH, क्योंकि इसमें क्या लिखा है? Excluding the last character. ठीक है, तो if help is there, so its reverse will be what? LEH, excluding this last character. Then, and by concatenating both, the new palindrome word will be what? This, where this starting four letters, this is what? Help, and this is the reverse of it. ठीक है, so thus the word help becomes this. Now the C part is display the original sentence along with the converted sentence. So this is your third part. Now test your program with the following data. If your input is this, the bird is flying, so output should original sentence you have to display and the reverse, that means the palindrome of all. ठीक है. Next one, examples, you can go through this one. Next, seventh, we are having a class rearrange that has been defined to modify a word by bringing all the vowels in the word at the beginning followed by the consonants. For example, original is a word, so we have to shift all the vowels first. So vowels में अगर हमने shift किया, so these are here vowels, and after that all the non-vowels, means all the consonants will be there, but the order should not be changed, means order जो होगा that will be same. ठीक है. Then description is given on the next page. First, WRD to store a word, new WRD to store the rearranged word. Then we are having a default constructor in which you will initialize both the string by null. Then word read word to accept the word in uppercase, you will accept the word in uppercase, and if it will not be, you will input the give a message, you will print a message, enter the word in uppercase. But suppose if the user has not already input the word in the uppercase, so you have to apply the condition for it, str.to uppercase, ठीक है, sorry, word.to uppercase. Then find out the frequency. Third one is frequency vowel cons. So find the frequency of vowels and consonants in the word and displace them with an appropriate message. Next we are having word arrange, rearrange the words, ठीक है. Then the last one is word display. So this is your seventh question here. And also define the main function to create an object. Next, given the Boolean function f 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Same question, what you have to do again, 4 variable K map बनाना है, उसको solve करना है, and according to that draw the logic gate diagram for it using only NAND gate. Now here this was 8th question. Now 9th question is this, f p q r s is equal to pi 0, 1, 2, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. So reduce it using K map, ठीक है, and after that you have to write the pose expression for it and draw the logic gate diagram using only NOR gates. तो आपको K map से reduce करना है, उसके बाद उसका pose expression लिखना है और उसको NOR gate से draw करना है. And see, assume their complements are available as input, that is the important point here. उनका complement आपको assume करना है already available है, तो complement directly you will pass into the gate. For example, suppose NOR gate is there, so complement you will pass directly a complement. You will not use the gate to find out the complement of a variable. Now the last question of this video is, name and draw the logic gate represented by the following truth table where A and B are inputs. ठीक है, and X is the output. So here's your first question. Next one, canonical pose expression for pi 0 to. Third, find the dual of this. Question is x dot y plus x dot y bar. Here, look at this. This is your part C. Now D, if f ABC is equal to A complement B complement C complement plus A complement B complement C complement, then find F complement using De Morgan's, right? Next, or do one thing, here actually it is given what, here both the terms are same. So do one thing, change this, write it A complement B complement C complement plus A B complement C. Now this is your new question, cut this question, change it into this and find the complement. No need to reduce it, see reduce नहीं करना है, question क्या है, सिर्फ only complement. So you will solve up to the part where you can apply De Morgan's law, means complementary law. ठीक है, only up to that portion आपको solve करना है, no need to simplify. Next, if A it is cloudy, B it is raining, then write a proposition for contrapositive and converse of it. So here in total we were having 10 questions and all the works you have to do on a separate file. So that's all for today. Thank you. Enjoy your holidays.